Hey, welcome to my Herbal Healing Recipes PLR review. Today I'm going to show you a powerful, done-for-you product that gives you 100 plus natural herbal remedy recipes with unrestricted PLR rights, meaning you can sell, rebrand, give away, or use them to grow your business without writing a single word. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to be an herbalist, a doctor, or a content creator. Just plug these recipes into your favorite format, ebooks, blog posts, lead magnets, and start profiting from the booming wellness market. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOS, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, helping people like you find the best digital tools and income streams. If that's your vibe, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss out. And here's a special treat. I've put together exclusive bonuses to help you profit even more with this Herbal Healing PLR pack. You'll find all the details and access links in the description. Don't miss them. So, what is Herbal Healing Recipes, PLR? Herbal Healing Recipes is a fully loaded 100 plus recipe collection that helps people naturally treat common ailments like anxiety, digestion issues, sleep problems, cough, inflammation, and more with herbs like chamomile, turmeric, elderberry, and ginger. But what makes this special? You get unrestricted PLR, which means you can resell it as your own, give it away to build your list, break it into blog posts or email series, or use it as a lead magnet, ebook, or printable. This is for you if you want to sell health and wellness content under your name, build a niche blog, email list, or social media following, tap into the ever-growing natural remedies market, create printables, courses, or even Etsy products. No tech skills or experience needed. Just open, edit, and launch. The guide is beginner-friendly with easy-to-follow instructions. Standout features that caught my eye: 100 plus herbal recipes, each targeting a specific health concern, full private label rights, rebrand, resell, or repurpose high-demand niche. Natural wellness is huge and evergreen bonus guide. Shows you 20 plus ways to profit from this package. Here's how it works. Super simple. 1. Grab the pack and download the files. 2. Customize with your branding or use as is. 3. Resell, give away, post, or publish anywhere. You get all the power of a premium product without spending weeks writing or researching. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? After grabbing the main pack for just $9.95, you'll see some optional upgrades. Here's what's in the funnel. OTO 1, Herbal Content Bundle, $37. Get even more done-for-you herbal wellness content to add value to your offers, emails, or product lineup. More OTOs may be in the pipeline, but this one's a great start for content marketers or creators in the natural health niche. What I love about Herbal Healing Recipes: PLR, easy to use, no content creation needed, beginner-friendly with evergreen appeal, great for multiple monetization methods, includes a bonus guide to help you cash in what could be better. It's not a software or video tool, this is pure content. So if you're looking for a flashy dashboard or AI builder, this isn't that. But if you want valuable, rebrandable health content, it's a fantastic deal. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're serious about making money online, building a niche brand, or growing an audience in the natural wellness space, Herbal Healing Recipes PLR is a no-brainer. It's affordable, flexible, and gives you everything you need to start selling immediately. Grab it using the link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my Herbal Healing Recipes review. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, Leave a comment and subscribe for more honest reviews and money-making tools. See you in the next one.